I am stupid. I created this wallet. Now don't get me wrong, this is a brilliant wallet. This right here is the culmination of 40 years work. 40 years! Every single little bit of nuance, timing, rhythm, sleight of hand, audience management, routining, character development, product design. 40 years! But guess what? You haven't been doing it for 40 years. You've been doing it for 4 months. And you look at this, and it's just too much. So watch this. Repackaged. I'm a genius. Genius. I'm so clever, boy. The wallet is an easy to use, everyday carry, no palm wallet. It's brilliant for any stage of your magical development. What I've changed about this is the teaching. I've stripped everything back to the very, very basics. So now anybody can pick this up and start learning it. I'll be teaching you how to set the wallet up, how to load the wallet, how to do something as basic as controlling the card. And I put the cards back on top, but I keep a little finger break here. A double lift. From here, just grab with the fingers and turn it over. And just a little bit about misdirection. Got a place for your notes and your credit cards. Something for the weekend, something for every day. If you're looking for an entry level, easy to do, no palm card to wallet, I've got just what you're looking for.